Hello and welcome to Mindful Creative Muse. We help you tap into your creativity, de-stress, and express. Today I'll be sharing an alternative to a vision board. Cards based on Soul Collage, if you're familiar with that intuitive collage process. So there'll be 4 categories in our life that we'll be envisioning and dreaming and taking a deeper look at our desires, and then also creating some action steps for us to move closer to our dream. Let's get started. So the first category is your vocation or your work, and I like to also refer to this as your calling. And so if you haven't seen my video on what is Soul Collage, I definitely recommend checking that out. This is based on a similar format, so these will be 5x8 cards. So instead of one large vision board, we're going to be creating 4 individual cards, and then you can always display them together, you can move them around. And typically Soul Collage does not include words. In this case, because we're doing a visioning process, we will be including words, or that's an option. So this is an example of a vocation or work card or calling. So as you can see, it says success in the new year, connecting with creation sustainably. I'm going to flip through these 4 cards and categories so you can see them first. So we'll be moving on to the next one. The next category is relationships, always important. You can see here is an example of a relationships card. So create moments of delight. You can see there's sort of a spaciousness to the card. It's very colorful. It has a warm tone to it. That heart is front and center. So again, each way you identify or envision your relationships, that'll be different for each person. But oftentimes vision boards can become very cluttered or have a lot of information on them. So these cards encourage focusing on 4 areas, being very simple and intentional with your image choice or with your word choice. So it's a little more expansive and has a lighter feeling to it. Next category is finances. Also, it can include travel desires, or perhaps desires for your home, really nesting and what that looks like. The group I was working with, they were focusing on home. So you can see that this card, and even just the finances card in general, may focus on things that envision stability or groundedness or security. So this is an example with one of my students in my workshop. And last but certainly not least, the category of health. What do you envision for your health or hope for your health in the year going forward? And an example of a health card here, noticing how it says reset your health. There's again that spaciousness, there's a lightness. That happens to be a theme with these cards. Your card might not be that. One thing to keep in mind when you're making the cards, since these are vision cards, is what you would like to envision for your new year. And so I'm going to bring in just multiple cards here now. So once you have your 4 categories created, again, you can display these however you like. And I would encourage you to explore a journaling process afterwards. You may just want to glance at the cards and write. You can also use specific writing prompts. What I recommend is a Soul Collage writing process. So with each card, you would want to look at one individual card for that category. So the first one is speaking from the card. You'll write, I am one who. So in this example, it may be something to the effect of, I am one who is successful in both my creativity and sustainability through my work. Whatever's jumping out at you. I am one who is bold in the world. The second prompt would be, the message I have for you is, and I may write something to the effect of, the message I have for you is to have an open heart and create space in your life to connect and create moments with the people you love. So just some simple tips for you to explore a new twist on a visioning board process. So again, if you haven't seen the Soul Collage or what is Soul Collage video I created, definitely check that out, or the Soul Collage journals video. Please subscribe and check back to see more of our videos. And we'll be sharing mindful art practices and explorations to help you tap into your creativity, de-stress, and express. This is Cynthia with Mindful Creative Muse, and I'll see you next time.